Today we are going to prepare long beans thoran or long beans with coconut. This is a South Indian dish. You can eat this with rice. So let's get started. Here I kept a wok and now it's heating. To this I'll add 1.5 teaspoon of oil, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. To this I'll add onions. This one medium sized onion, finely chopped. Green chili, 3 medium sized green chili I have taken, finely chopped. I'll add salt according to the taste. Here I have taken 400 grams of beans, finely chopped. You can see finely chopped beans. To this beans I will add this coconut mixture. In my previous video I have shown this. If you want the recipe, please comment. In this, it's coconut, curry leaves, green chili, garlic. All these things are there in this coconut, and it's just coarsely grounded. And I'll mix this with these beans like this. You can prepare this coconut mixture and keep in the fridge also. It will last for a week. So I'll add to this. I will put little bit of water and add to this. We will cover it and cook in steam, okay? After 5 minutes I'll open and show you. Beans is cooked. We'll just wait till the little bit of water is there. It should dry. Till that time we'll wait, and then we will take it off from the fire.